Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. I am going to discuss about measure of central tendency, geometric mean. Geometric mean is the nth root of product of n items of a series. For individual observation, geometric mean is equal to antilog of sigma log x divided by n, where n is the number of items. In the discrete series, geometric mean is equal to antilog of sigma f log x divided by sigma f. In the continuous series, geometric mean is antilog of sigma f log m divided by sigma f, where m is the middle value of the class interval. First one, raw data. We have to find the geometric mean for the given data. The values are 2574, 475, 75, 5, 0.8, 0.08, 0.005, 0.0009. For finding log value, you can go with a logarithmic table or calculator. Log 2574 is equal to 3.4106. 3.4106. Like that you can find all the other values. Log 475 is equal to 2.6767. Log 75 is equal to 1.8751. Log 5 is equal to 0.699. Log 0.8 is equal to minus 0.0969. Log 0.08 is equal to minus 1.0969. Log 0.005 is minus 2.301. Log 0.0009 is equal to minus 3.0458. We have to take the total for the log x values. Sigma log x is equal to 2.1208. Sigma log x is equal to 2.1208. Now the formula for geometric mean is antilog of sigma log x divided by n. That is antilog of sigma log x is 2.1208. N is number of items. Here we have some 8 items. So, n is equal to 8. Antilog of 2.1208 divided by 8 is 0.2651. For finding antilog, shift log 0.2651 is equal to 1.8412. Antilog of 0.2651 is 1.8412. Next one, discrete data. Here the weight and the number of men is given. X represents weight. F represents number of men. X, log x, frequency into log x. X values are 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. We have to find log value. Log 35 is equal to 1.5441. log 40 is equal to 1.6021. Log 45 is equal to 1.6532. Log 50 is equal to 1.699. Log 55 is equal to 1.7404. Log 60 is equal to 1.7782. The frequencies are 12, 18, 24, 16, 6 and 4. The total frequency is 80. Next we have to find f into log x. F value is 12, log x is 1.5441. 1.5441. This is equal to 18.5292. Second one, 18 into 1.6021. This is equal to 28.8378. The next one, 24 into 1.6532. This is equal to 39.6768. And the next one, 16 into 1.699. This is equal to 27.184. And the next one, 6 into 1.7404. This is equal to 10.4424. And the next one, 4 into 1.7782. This is equal to 7.1128. We have to take the total for these values. Sigma f log x is equal to 131.783. Geometric mean for discrete cases, anti-log of sigma f log x divided by sigma f. This is equal to anti-log of 131.783 divided by sigma f is 80. This is equal to anti-log of 1.6473. Now geometric mean is equal to anti-log of 1.6473, that is 44.3915. In the discrete case, you have to find log x first and then you multiply log x values with the frequency. After that, you write the formula and substitute all the values. You will get geometric mean for that particular series. Next one, continuous data. For continuous data, geometric mean is anti-log of sigma f log m divided by sigma f. For that, first you have to find the middle value of x. Here x values are 0 to 15, 15 to 30, 30 to 45, 45 to 60, 60 to 75. The middle value of x is m. 0 to 15, the middle value is 7.5. 15 to 30, the middle value is 22.5. 30 to 45, the middle value is 37.5. 45 to 60, the middle value is 52.5. 60 to 75, the middle value is 67.5. Next we have to find log m. Log 7.5 is equal to 0.8751. Log 22.5 is equal to 1.3522. Log 37.5 is equal to 1.574. Log 52.5 is equal to 1.7202. Log 67.5 is 1.8293. The frequencies are 15, 28, 47, 34, 14. Total frequency is sigma f is equal to 138. Next we have to multiply f value with log m values. 15 into 0.8751 is equal to 13.1265. 28 into 1.3522 is equal to 37.8616. 47 into 1.574 is equal to 73.978. 34 into 1.7202 is equal to 58.4868. 14 into 1.8293 is equal to 25.6102. Now we have to find the total for f log m. Sigma f log m is equal to 209.0631. Now geometric mean is anti-log of sigma f log m divided by sigma f. 209.0631 divided by sigma f is 138. This is equal to anti-log of 1.51495. Now from the calculator or logarithmic table, we get anti-log of 1.51495 is 32.7303. In the continuous case, first you have to take the middle value of the given class interval, then find the log value. After that, you have to find f into log m. Once you find the total frequency and sigma f log m, you have to substitute all the values in the formula. You will get geometric mean for that particular problem. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.